So Toltec came from a family trip we took in 1975. Myself, my brother, and my parents took a family trip to Mexico. We went all over Mexico, but one of the places we went were the pyramids that were built by the Toltecs. And they were master craftsmen, and that's where the name came from. My dad really just thought that was a great name and liked their artisanship. Also on the trip, my father found several products down there he thought would be really good for the U.S. market. He was interested in importing here, one of them being onyx tables. And he looked into importing some of these he found with the onyx tables. You just could not ship them and get them here in one piece. So he began looking for other things and came upon a company in Tijuana, Mexico, making light fixtures, and we started with that. We used the company in Mexico for realistically about 2 or 3 years. Once we got the first samples worked out, we had supply chain problems with them not being able to provide enough product for us, so we ended up switching away from that to making our own light fixtures, which when we started it we had no idea how to make them. My father felt that the Mexicans could make it, so could we. So him and my brother had to figure out how to make them. So we were making stained glass fixtures originally, and so yes, we had to find all of the raw material sources. And sometimes we would be calling companies, looking for parts, and we didn't even know what the industry name for them was. So that it was definitely a steep learning curve in that, but they definitely figured it out and really did a good job getting it all put together. Yes, I think it took them a few months to really figure out as far as the assembly line and making it where it was efficient. But they were able to do that and figure it out. They tried some different jigs and found that freehand really was the best way. In September of 1985, we purchased this facility that we're in and began manufacturing here. And we consolidated everything in January of '86. In the early 2000s, companies began importing fixtures from China. It's very hard for us to compete against Chinese light fixtures. So we began importing our own fixtures from China made to our designs and our specifications. And probably by about 2010, our entire production was from China. We did it on a slower basis, so we did not have to lay anybody off. So one of the great things about Toltec is we are a mix and match line. You can pick your frame, you can pick the finish of the frame from the available finishes, then you can pick the glass and create your own combination. So you really become the designer of your own light fixture. And that has really been the key to our success and growth of the company. I think one of the challenges that we had as we've come up with this system is making the ordering easy. So our numbering system works very, very simply. The first set of digits is a 3 or 4 digit number. That's the frame of the fixture. We put a dash behind it. The second 2 or 3 letters is the finish. So for example, if you picked a brushed nickel finish, that would be a BN. And then there's another dash followed by another 3 or 4 digit number, which is your glass shade. So it becomes very easy to create the item number for this combination and do it very quickly. And we think that's been very beneficial to our customers. Customer service has always been one of the big values of our company. We answer the telephone. We don't have a fancy phone system where we don't hide behind voicemail. You will get a live person when you call our company. And a lot of times you may end up speaking to one of the family members. And we like to think we're all family here. But we try to take care of our problems and take care of our customers, because if we take care of them, they're going to take care of us at the end of the day. I think what I would do is I would want to show them one of our products and show them the quality in the product and show them how they can do the mix and match. Show them some different options that they would have with glass show them a couple different finishes so they would understand what we were about by showing them the product.